Hello friends, so today I am here with a new informative video. So who are learning this language, they was thinking how native speaker, their accent and their lip sync, how it looks different. So what techniques they are following. So I will tell some techniques, whatever the techniques I followed. You can see my old video how I am talking. Now you can see how I am talking. So both have a differently changed. So how I change my accent as well as how I change my lip sync. For changing your lip sync, what do you start practicing? First you have to practicing the out loud speaking. First thing you have to do, at least one or two pages you have to try to speaking out loud. Second thing, after speaking it out loud, then you are familiar with the words, so your fluency will be improved, your reading habit will be smooth. After doing that, you do the pen techniques. So some people are aware of that, some people don't know how to use the pen techniques. Pen technique, it means you have to use that pen and you have to hold that pen in between the both teeth like this. Now you have to use that pen. After using that pen, you have to try to speak out. For speaking out, you have to take a paragraph and try to speak out that. So I will read one paragraph. Rapid creates the fountain for mastery. In case it is only after the basic movements of pieces have become automatic that a player can focus on the next level of the game. This is true for only endeavor. Now you can see I speak to using the pen techniques. Now I will speak without the pen. So how I am speaking, you can look it. When you know the simple movements so well that you can perform them without thinking. Habits are the backbone of any pursuit of excellence. Now you can see the changes. So how it's changed? Because I used the pen techniques, so our lip sync not coming downside. It's automatically goes up upside. So how to use that technique, that pen techniques, you can see. Third technique, you have to try to use the tongue twister. How to use the tongue twister. So many people are doing the mistakes about to the pronunciation, about to the wrong words they are pronounced. So for improving that, you have to use the tongue twister. Now I will suggest a tongue twister. Like tongue twister is that if you are using the tongue twister, if you are mistaken doing like this, it's sha and sha. How to improve that? So I will suggest some tongue twister, and if you have any kind of doubt, so you can ask me and comment me. Now I will suggest and I will give some tongue twister, so you can go through the chat gtp as well, so you can use the tongue twister from there. They will guide you what tongue twister will help you, which word you can improve by that. I will use a tongue twister. So how to use the tongue twister? So I will she shall, why she should. She shall, why she shall. She shall, why she should. 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 So that way you have to try to use the tongue twister. Initial begin the 3 times you have to use slow way, and then you have to use the fast way. So that way your tongue will be rooted and you understand how to use the tongue twister and how to improve it. So that is why tongue twister is very helpful for them who are improving their pronunciation, who are improving their tongue twisting, because it's helpful for them who are doing the mistakes in their pronunciation, because I also do the lots of the mistake about to the pronunciation. I have seen a little changes when I start to using the tongue twister and using the pen technique, that will really helpful for me. So now I will talk about to the two techniques. Pen techniques, second one is the tongue twister. If you want to improve your fluency, so for that you have to use it. But if you want to improve your fluency, so try to make it out loud at least one or two pages while using the pen. So that way your fluency, your tongue twisting and your improving you understand how to. Sometimes if you are doing a mistakes to a pronunciation, so do one thing, you go through the chat gtp and say to them how to pronounce that word. Sometimes we don't know how to pronounce the new words, so go for the chat gtp and ask to them how to use that word. So then you listen, then you pronounce again, you out loud again. That way you understand how to use that new words. Because every new words when you are getting, that time we are stuck in how to pronounce, because we don't know. This is not our mother tongue, so that is why we are stuck in always. For so do one thing, you have to start to using the chat gtp, because chat gtp is a mentor like that. It's also mentor of me. So whenever I'm stuck in somewhere, I try to use the chat gtp. I will take the help of chat gtp, and by the help of chat gtp I will rectifying myself. So if you want to learn this language, if you have any kind of doubts and query, so comment me, and you can take our classes, join our classes as well. If you want to learn more, so please like and subscribe, and thank you so much.